Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Siriwan Chaichana. I'm PhD student, International Technology Professional Program, or ITPP, at Seoul National University. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Chun Sok Wang and Professor Chang Kyu Lee, who give me a chance to work with the Perseus company during the winter break. So the Perseus are the pioneers and early developer that for the hypervisor-based solutions that simplify in the car hardware and software infrastructure that is related to the connected car security. So I and my colleague Carolina, we have a chance to work with Dr. Sang Bum So, the CEO of the Perseus. It's for our pleasure to learn from him. So today, I would like to share experiences with you for my winter internship. So I will cover our work experiences that we had done during the internship program. That start from we start working with the Perseus from January to March 2021. I will cover the background of our work and the paper we have studied related to the vehicle cybersecurity. That give us the idea, new business idea from the impact of the new standard for the connected car in inspection industry. So the scope of our internship, we work and learn about the standard or the regulation related to the connected car as it become the global issue since the UN starting regulate the connected car industry in Europe. And it will also impact to the modern connected car industry in our country in the near future. So why we are concerned about the cybersecurity vehicle? Because of the complexity of the modern vehicle, is current car is comprised of more than 100 electronic components with the million lines of code. So when the car is connected to the internet, then is it the most attractive to the hacker who is looking for the vulnerability from the vehicle system. Therefore, the functional safety engineering methods and the processes become the critical part of the development. There is no specific cybersecurity standard before for the vehicle, but the existing safety engineering, security engineering standards are available. However, for the future safety and security of the connected car, the standard of the vehicle cybersecurity is concerned in the connected car industry. So first, the SAE established the cybersecurity guidebook for the cyber security physical for automotive system. This was in July 2016. Then in the same year, the SAE and ISO collaboration, and finally they established the ISO SAE 2144 cybersecurity engineering in May 2020. This is the work that the ISO and SAE work based on the period safety engineering standard, security engineering standard, and also safety assessment technique that already published. So the ISO SAE 2144 Let's aim to increase the cybersecurity over the vehicle in entire life cycle, from design, development, operation, production, and maintenance to decommissioning process. This is induce all of the stakeholders in the connected car industry to define cybersecurity policy and processes, and also manage the cybersecurity list and foster the cybersecurity culture in their organization. So we have the chance to take a look the ISO SAE 2144 document that was provided from the pursuit. The structure of the paper that we have to study consists of the 15 chapters. There are more than 100 pages that we have to read and try to understand because of a lot of the work requirements, recommendation, and also the work processes that the company have to comply when implement the ISO SAE 2144. And it's quite complex work that the company have to clearly understand before they starting implement this standard in the organization. So I will not go to the detail of the paper, the document. I just want to give you some idea. We make the study framework and will be easy to understand what and how the company have to implement when want to work on the ISO SAE 2144. So this is the link between the requirement, recommendation, and work processes from the document for the vehicle entire life cycle. So this is the idea we made, is follow the appendix from the document, briefly explain like in the first the organization culture. This all about the organization culture, which is rely on the section 5, cybersecurity management, section 6, project dependent cybersecurity management. The firm have to consider for the cybersecurity policy, rule, and processes of work. Then all evidence such as the competence management, awareness management, continuous improvement management system, and management tool have to comply for the auditing process. The second is we can understand this paper is a continuous cybersecurity. The pillar is rely on the activity from the section 7. That the firm have to consider the list of the source of cybersecurity monitoring, cybersecurity event assessment, vulnerability analysis, and rationale for the managed vulnerability. For the third issue that the company have to concern is about the concept and development phase, which is rely on the section 8, this assessment, section 9, concept phase, and section 10, the product development phase. This is include cybersecurity validation of the item at the vehicle level in the section 11 also. This all section, the firm have to identify the asset and also do the list treatment, list treatment and list management. Then the work process focusing on the cybersecurity goal. The company have to clearly for the cybersecurity goal, cybersecurity concept for the organization, cybersecurity claim, and threat analysis, threat assessment, and verification report. It's all about the risk assessment that you have to clearly make it in the verification report. The company have to define also the cybersecurity specification, post verification report, and many report they have to working on, and if follow from the document, there is also the uh, the vulnerability analysis report, indication and verification specification, all about the report that they have to make the evidence for the concept and development phase. This is a lot of detail for concept and development because of the very important before the company manufacturer for the connected car part. That's to make sure this is very high security for cyber security attract. So this is the most difficult part that company have to concern. And the next we can see these are all the document from the post development that's rely on phase section 12 production, and section 13 cybersecurity incident response. This is include the update in the section 14 until decommissioning, how the car from the post development have to update their software and also fix the bug, and also do vulnerability after the post development phase. The last for the support process, this is the rely on the section 15 distribute cybersecurity activity, and this is need for cybersecurity interface agreement for the company. This is the overall from the, I just make that conclusion from the 100 pages from the standard document. So for the next, we also one of the important document in the cybersecurity is from UN. The UN ECE WP 29 Cybersecurity Management System is one of the paper that we have studied during we take internship. For UN regulation rely on the cybersecurity management system. This is the requirement for the automotive OEM that have to certify cybersecurity. All the vehicle manufacturer have to activate the management system. This is recommendation that they can follow the cybersecurity management system CSMS, and also software update the management system SUMS. Then to exhibit the management system, which is the manufacturer have to get the certified from the certified body. CSMS is applied for the cybersecurity vehicle industry. So after the get approved from the certified body, then the vehicle manufacturer will duly accredit representative of the cybersecurity in the vehicle industry. So this they seem like we get an idea that all the responsible from the manufacturing for cybersecurity management and cybersecurity from the OEM and manufacturing is this the company responsible? But what kind of the business opportunity that we can have currently when we take a look the business model regarding the car inspection? Because of what? Because of the almost that we know supplier support car checkup. So in that case, we cannot get into this market. However, there is the business opportunity in terms of the end use car or the extend use car. For example, we take a look some cases in Thailand. we have many people want to extend used car that already in support from the supplier. So on board, we have to do the self-checking from the car examination center and get the certificate and get the certificate and extend to use it. If not, there is the car garage is involved in this system to get the extend to fix it and then give the certificate for the car owner to pay tax and insurance and continue use that car. What about when the car is become the connected car? All the function from the examination center have to be changed. We saw the business opportunity for the connected car examination center that we have to transform them in terms of from the car condition checklist become the cybersecurity checklist that have to identify from the authority what kind of the safety checklist, security checklist that we have to do, and also have to increase the capability of the car garage that they have to maybe include the human resource that who know how to check or fix it, cybersecurity function for the car component. And the way to give the certificate and also the tax insurance for the connected car may be changed. For the whole business model have to think and prepare for the near future for the connected car industry. This is how the business model for the connected car will look like. It's just kind of our study and is not proof yet. This is cover for the current business model for the car examination or not. This is we just think that it's good opportunity if we can continue working and make the business model for the examination center. So for the further work, I think that we have to work on the examination center for business model for connected car and how can we dealing with the cyber security for connected car in the market. This is a good opportunity for the startup and also the another who looking for the opportunity in this area of connected car. So these are all our work during internship program with the pursuits, and we are kind of it's our pleasure to work with a very well-known company and get the experience during internship. And I hope you enjoy my presentation. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.